That looks good. Nice and simple. Ralph Man's Outdoors grandkids are here, so they wanted burgers. So we're going to do some burgers on the Blackstone. We've got the Blackstone fired up. I need to get a little oil down. The last cook I did was Chex Mix, and I had to get the Blackstone dry for that. So let's get a little oil down and we'll get to cooking. This will be a quick and easy cook. We're just going down with some burgers. Susan's making homemade buns, and then we're just gonna have chips. So let's get her done. With the grandkids, we went a little thinner because they're not gonna eat that much, but theirs will be done first. Burgers are down and you can hear the sizzle. We had our deck refurbished, so this is my first cook back on the back deck, and I'm just happy to be back in my normal spot. These are looking good. Oh yeah. Grandkids are done on one side. We're going to go ahead and flip all the others. They're looking good as well, but they need to cook quite a bit longer. These ought to be done probably in another couple of minutes. The grandkids are about done. I've moved them over here to the side. Susan's getting some cheese, and we're going to add the cheese for them so that they can get to eating. The rest of them are getting close. We're adding a little provolone to the kids' burgers. We're going to let that melt down just a little bit. And they'll be ready to eat. I gave the others a flip. They're looking really good on this side. Going to get the blood out of it. Well, it's not really blood, but anyway, I had somebody comment about that and said it's not blood, but it's something else. That's okay. I like it a little pink, but these are cooking. The grandkids are almost done. Susan wants provolone on hers, so we're going to go right there. We had one extra slice, so, and then we're going to go pepper jack with the other patties. Speed this up. That's all the pepper jack we had, so we're going to get that done. I'm going to get these off. Melt the cheese. I'm actually going to hit a little water, close up the lid. We'll let that steam for just a minute and we'll pull those off. Those are starting to melt. We're going to go ahead and take them off and take them inside. It's cold out here. Man's Outdoors, it's like 34 degrees outside with a 15-20 mile an hour wind. So I'm glad we've got the burgers off. Let's go inside and take a bite. How are the burgers, boys? We got a thumbs up and a thumbs up. Good deal. That looks good. Nice and simple. Let's eat. We've blessed our food and we're about to eat. Ralph Man's Outdoors. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, hit that like button, so go ahead and subscribe. We've got a bunch of viewers that watch on a regular basis that aren't even subscribed. But we love you anyway. Until next time, God bless. Susan's homemade buns and homemade pickles from our cucumbers. Let's give it a try. Those buns are good, baby.
The burgers are.
Till next time, God bless.